In this video, we're going to be talking about how to activate your Barclays credit card. So let's just get straight into the video. So you can actually activate your Barclays credit card quickly by using the Barclays application or Barclay card application, selecting your new card under your cards section and following the prompts. But the better way you can go ahead and use is going to be by visiting barclaycard.co.uk/activate. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. So barclaycard.co.uk/activate. So there you go. That is going to be what you want to be searching. And as you can see, you can simply go ahead and activate your card through here. If you're on the US, you can do the same from the US site. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.